Dreamcatcher is associated with Native American culture and spiritual beliefs, but dreamcatchers are often believed to have originated from the Ojibwa-Chippewa tribe. The Ojibwa people believe that the dreamcatcher's web will trap bad dreams or dark spirits, thereby allowing the good dreams to escape through a small hole in the center and enter the child's dream. Strings, scissor, any ring material, lace, beads, feathers, glue. Pick your desired decorative materials in making the tails. It's up to you how you decorate your dreamcatcher. You can use feathers, strips of fabric, beads, gemstones, and shells to decorate your dreamcatcher. Choose materials that have personal meaning for you. Feathers. Many believe they provide a soft ladder for the good dream to glide down and gently enter into the dreamer's mind. Beads or gems. A single bead or gem often represents the spider that made the web. Many beads or hanging beads can represent good dreams that trapped during the night. Pre-made metal or wooden hoops are easy and work great for dream catchers. The size of the hoop is really dependent on how big you want your dream catcher to be. Start wrapping the lace around the hoop, leaving a tail of about 6 inches at the top of the hoop that serves as a holder to hang the dream catcher. At strategic spots, place more glue on the hoop before you wrap the lace around it. This will ensure that the lace stays in place. You should also place glue on at least every spots on the hoop where you will place the tails. Continue wrapping the lace around the hoop, trying to keep it as tight and close together as possible. Wrap the end of the tails on every desired spot on the hoop, loop evenly and tightly. Wrap the lace all the way around the hoop, back to the starting point. Secure it with glue, and let it dry. When making for a web, Start by tying a knot at the top of the hoop, tie a double or triple knot to ensure that the string is secure. Loop the string around the hoop working clockwise, stretch the string to a spot about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, over on the hoop. Loop the string around the hoop and back over itself to create a hitch. Make sure to pull the string tight to secure it before moving on to the next loop. Continue looping the string around the hoop. Loop the string around the entire frame until you reach the top of the hoop where you started. As you do this, go slowly to make sure the loops are evenly spaced. Once you reach the top, loop the string around the hoop next to the starting knot. Create the second layer of web, loop the string around the midpoint of the first line of thread. Using the same technique, loop it around the string and over itself to create a hitch. Continue weaving the thread this way until you reach the top of the hoop. Secure the web with a knot. Once the circle is small, about the size of a penny or dime, tie a knot around the next string instead of hitching it. Tie a double or triple knot to make sure the string is secure and will not come undone. Then trim off any extra string with scissors.